Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you, and let's just get started. Will I ever be able to rip this off in one go? Yes, I am. Oh, okay, it's for the like the Women's Day. We are enough. So International Women's Day was actually yesterday. Oh wait, what day are we? It was 2 days ago. So yeah, it is pink. Light pink, dark pink. It feels like a recycled cardboard, if that makes sense. A recycled box. So open it up. You are enough. Yes. Ooh. Something smells good, but there's also like a lot of like recycled paper smell. Do you know that smell? Like this one? So let's open it up. Oh, there's a big tube in, and then the rest I can't see because I'm not wearing glasses. Ooh, it's all rather pink and white. Okay, so number one is the Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Refining Skin Polish. A brightening exfoliator to refine and smooth. You know I have to smell these things. I can't smell it. So I still have an exfoliator that I'm using, so I'm not opening this one up, but it's always nice to have that. You know, like I like a smooth skin. Who doesn't like a smooth skin, right? So hopefully this works. And a deeply cleansing superfine exfoliator to leave skin feeling refined and smooth. So I'm super excited about it. Smooth and airbrush the appearance of your skin with the refining skin polish from Espa. Infused with a host of beneficial ingredients, the face scrub is charged with a nourishing formula to help comfort the skin during the exfoliating process. Use 1 to 2 times a week for normal or dry skin, and once a week for oily skin. So I'm definitely going to try that out. The thing is, I can slightly see through it, and there's like if everything was at the bottom, it would be not even halfway full. So that will be a quick empty. Speaking of empties, I have a lot of empties to talk about. Maybe I do more than 5 this time. Maybe I'll do 6. We'll see. So number 2 is the, oh god, I don't know how to pronounce it. Sacha Juan Stockholm Styling Cream. Straight or curly hair. This is a huge. This is 125 milliliters. Apply to damp hair. Okay, well, I actually want to use that now, but I can't. Edge dry for natural smooth curls or blow dry for a straight shiny look. Styling cream coats hair to create superb shine and protection from heat. You know what? I'm actually going to use that tomorrow because I only wash my hair every other day. So, oh, that smells really good. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Okay, I cannot wait to try that one out. I mean, I can always use a bit of shine, especially like chin down. You know, the ends. I could use a bit of shine there, but I'm super excited for this. And this is a huge tube, like I said. That will take me a long time to go through. Replenish your tresses. I don't even know what that word is, but we will. With the transforming powers of the Sacha Juan Volume Styling Cream. The fast-absorbing cream utilizes ocean silk technology to drench your locks in moisture, minimizing the look of split ends and flyaways. Minimize the look of split ends. Hell yeah. I need this. Apply the volume cream to damp hair and then blow dry to maximize volume. I will definitely try that one out. And it smells so good. Oh, I'm super excited about that. Then we have this oil here. I'm always a bit cautious when it comes to oil because it's very messy and I'm very clumsy. This is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. Oh my god. Okay. I cannot tell you what it says on bottle because it's very small. It smells like chamomile. I don't know if that's the ingredient, but it definitely smells good. Infuse your skin with the nourishing properties of Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil, a lightweight oil complex that conditions, hydrates, and soothes the complexion. Formulated with 9 essential oils, this will leave your skin feeling bright and refreshed. Warm a few drops between your fingertips and gently press and massage the product into the skin, avoiding the eye area. Oh. I think I will only do this at night because I don't like walking around with an oily face during the day, so I will try this out at night and then we'll see. Hopefully it works. So I have only one more product here on the leaflet, but there are 2 more products in the box, so we will get to that later. Ooh, Star Skin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. So like the ones that go all over the lips. Ooh, I'm super excited. I mean, there's not much I can tell you about it, but Plumping. Okay, I will definitely try that one out. And hydrating, I mean, you know, it's still winter outside. My lips are a mess, and I definitely need this. Deliver your lips otherworldly hydration with the intensely nourishing properties of the Starskin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask, formulated with naturally fermented, vitamin-rich, sweet coconut extract. So, you know, like I still have a lot of masks to go through, but I will get to this, definitely. And now, next, I need to remove my lip gloss because there's a lipstick in here. And the brush. Give me a moment. Okay, so the lipstick is by, Wet n Wild. Okay. This is the Mega Last Matte Lipstick in Sandstone. I don't think I've ever had a product by Wet n Wild before. I don't think so. It really reminds me of the current lipstick that I'm using, which is the OG Lolita by KVD. It's kind of the same color. That went on very smoothly though. The packaging is super cute with the lips here. It's supposed to be a matte one. I would say it's a normal lipstick. Maybe it's because I still have a bit of lip gloss underneath. Okay, so last but not least is a brush by... I literally cannot read this. Like, please tell me what you see here. Because I cannot, for the love of God, read what this says. This is a Prime Vegan Candy? What? A detailed shader brush. I was actually at DM 2 days ago and I was looking at the BH brushes and I didn't buy anything, but now I have this. Ooh, this will be so good for like a cut crease and then for underneath your lashes, like lower lashes. Ooh, this is nice. I always love getting new brushes, although I have a lot of brushes that I don't really use, so maybe I should do a declutter with that. Those are all the products. I'm excited. I'm not over the moon, but it could be worse. Oh, wait, I forgot the lipstick. So it's very comfy on the lips too. That's nice. So I will definitely do a video on this. Then I will let you know my thoughts about all the other stuff. Okay, so then the pamphlet here. Empowerment. Right. Beeswax, what it is and what it does. Beauty box. So this is breast cancer awareness. All March female founders. This is Nicole Arnoldson. Oh god, Starskin, right? Behind the theme is empowerment, obviously, as if we couldn't have guessed it already. The woman behind the brand, Emma Hardy. What makes you feel empowered? So a few people that have given quotes and you know, that their thoughts. And then what's coming up is the Avant Hyalo Replenish Lip Balm. That is next month's box, I guess. That is worth £56. I have a referral code in the info box if you want to use it, if you want to get a beauty box for yourself. Let me get the empties and then we'll talk. It's a lot of empties. And surprisingly, there's a lot of things that I didn't really see a difference with. I have three products here where I didn't really see the difference. This is the Glow Gorgeous Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray for your hair. Did it really help with pollution? Did it really combat pollution? I don't know, but it smelled good. Although it also made my hair a bit dry, so it was okay, but I would not purchase it because, you know, I don't really think it made a difference. And then these two by Balance Me. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. Didn't really see a difference. I used it as a normal cream, basically, but before the cream. Like, it had the same result as a normal cream, just with the cream on top. I don't know, like, it's weird. I use it up, it's gone, I would never purchase it. And then the BAH Exfoliating Concentrate. Didn't really see a difference in that either, but I use it because I had it. This you have seen me use. I will leave the video here. I really like that mask. I used it a second time after I used, like after the video I used it a second time. I really like that one. I would purchase it because it smells like a medicine, like an actual cream. It doesn't smell like over the top, like infused oils. It smells like medication. It was also very cold on the skin and just felt good, and I really enjoyed it. Should I do a few more because I still have. Okay, the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Meringue Cleanser. This was nice. It really cleansed your face, but it made it super dry, which is also why I love the mask quite a lot, because that was super nourishing. This was super dry. It kind of worked well together, if you know what I mean. So I would not purchase this. While it did clean my face, I didn't like the fact that it dried it out. So, oh, this I love. This is it's dusty because it has been in here for way too long. Christopher Robin Hydrating Melting Mask with aloe vera for hydrated hair, shiny and plump lengths. I'm not gonna lie, I used this top to bottom basically, and had to use the whole tube in 2 washes basically. I feel like a tiny bit was not enough for my hair, so I used half of it in one go. But it made my hair super soft, super shiny. It smells like heaven. So I might purchase this. It's really expensive, but also very good. Should I do one more? This one I also don't really remember using it. So this is the Polar Niche Eternal Snow. It smelled good. It was nice on the skin. Oh, this is by the way a face cream. So as long as the face cream doesn't dry me out, it doesn't give me like pimples and whatever, I like it. And the scent was very nice and refreshing, so I enjoyed it. I have one more, because this is one of my absolute favorite things. This is the This Works pillow spray with lavender. I love it. Does it really make me fall asleep faster? I don't know. Does it really make me sleep better? I don't know, but I really like the scent, and I'm always happy when we get this in a LookFantastic box. That was it. I have 2 more empties left, but I'm going to keep them for next month, because obviously I don't know how much I will use up, so I like to have something, you know, saved. Yeah, that was it. That was my video. That was the unboxing. Let me know if you have tried any of those products. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel already, and see you next one.